Alright, a moment of honesty. Running a business can be fun, but not when you're drowning in emails, invoices, and never ending data entry. If you ever thought, I wish I had an assistant to handle all this boring stuff, good news. You do. And it doesn't even need coffee breaks. Welcome to the wonderful world of business automation, where robots don't take over the world, but they do take over your most annoying tasks. But before we get into the whole AI and break everything down and get into the details of things,
allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is
Devon. Put in work, Burke, a business funding specialist, online marketer, family man, and fitness enthusiast. Also, the creator of thewealthbuilders.com. That's the Wealth Builders with a Z.com. The business website that will have you make more money, save more money, build the better you and business. So if you're looking for business funding, go to thewealthbuilders.com/business-funding. Alright, so let's get back to business. Alright, so check it out. What is business automation? Well, business automation in the most basic way is putting your business on autopilot by using software, apps, and AI to handle repetitive tasks. Instead of you spending hours and hours scheduling social media posts, responding to emails, and manually tracking expenses, right? That's just not it. Automation tools do it for you. Think of it as hiring an army of digital minions, except they don't talk back or ask for a raise, right? So how can small businesses use automation today? Right now, most people think they'll have to break the bank to use automation today. But you don't need a six-figure budget to start automating your business. Here are some super easy ways to get started. Number one, automate your emails. No more I'll reply later procrastination, right? Tools to use, we got MailChimp, HubSpot, ActiveCampaign, Aweber, GetResponse, okay? Ever feel like you're constantly typing the same customer responses? Set up email automation so welcome emails, follow-ups, and reminders send themselves. Now you can focus on more important things like figuring out why your coffee keeps disappearing. You know what I'm saying? Listen, someone signs up for your website, boom, they get a welcome email instantly without you lifting a finger. Okay, that's automation. Now, I personally use Aweber in my business, and I love it. There's a link in the description if you want to check it out. Number two, social media scheduling. Because you're not a full-time influencer yet, right? So you need tools like Buffer, Hootsuite, or later. Posting on social media every day is exhausting. Instead, batch your content once a week and schedule it ahead of time. Now you can be active on Instagram while actually chilling in your pajamas. Ever forget to post? Automation has your back. No more oops. I meant to post that sale yesterday. No, I didn't. All right? None of that. Number three, there's invoicing and payments. Get paid without the hassle. There's tools like QuickBooks, FreshBooks, Wave, right? If you hate chasing payments, and who doesn't, automating invoicing is your best friend. Send invoices, set payment reminders, and even accept online payments automatically. No more awkward, hey, just following up on that invoice emails, right? And some tools even auto-charge late fees for slow payers. Your inner villain will love this. You know what I mean? You won't have to be the bad guy anymore. All right, number four, customer support. There's chatbots because you need sleep too. So you got tools to use like ChatGPT, Drift, and Zendesk. All right. AI chatbots can basically be your customer service 24/7, so no more waking up at 3 a.m., you know what I'm saying, trying to answer emails. Some chatbots are even programmed to be easy, right, and sassy. Imagine an AI with the attitude of your favorite sarcastic friend. All right. And number 5, task management and reminders. No more sticky note chaos. Okay, tools to use: Trello, Asana, and Notion. Running a business means juggling a million things at once. Use an automation tool to send your reminders, organize your to-do list, and assign tasks to your team or future team. So my final thoughts on automation: will robots steal your job? Nope, but they will take over the boring stuff. So you can focus on growing your business, being creative, and let's be real, actually enjoying life. Moral of the story is automate or stay stuck in busy work forever. And let's be honest, nobody starts a business just to spend hours on email replies. So ask yourself, what's one business task you love to automate? And drop it in the comments below. You dig? Alright, people. Thanks for watching. It's the man, the myth, the well builder himself, Devon. Put in work. Burke, signing off for how to get your business to be automated. Do remember, well builders, make more, save more, build more. Peace.